Hi, this video is all about uh, how to compile Vim from source. Yesterday I released a video for public consumption which has got the title Build Emacs from source. Likewise, this video is for Vim editor from build from source. So the script which will automate the stuff is like this. It's a very ordinary script which will basically automate the process of building Vim from source. What it does, it initially the existing Vim setup has been copied with the date and timestamp. Then if the command is right, if the output is alright, 0 signifies alright. Okay, so then we'll go ahead and clone the vim-get if the Vim directory is already not exist, and then get into that directory. If the Vim directory is already exist, we'll get into it and we'll git pull from the remote Vim repo. So we'll get the existing local git repo get updated with the updates on the remote Vim repo. Okay, then we'll run a long configure script with option with Ruby, Python 3, Lua, Cisco, every part, right? So, and these things can be tweaked and cut and chopped according to your need. This is basically the standard one which I am using. Then I'll make it. Then at the end of the script, it will ask me for, once the build completed successfully, it will ask me for whether I wanted to install it system wide or not. So it depends on my choice whether I'll go ahead and override the existing Vim setup in my system, or I want to restrict the stuff within that Vim git repo. Okay, this is the crux, this is the base. It's a very ordinary script. I'll put the script link below this video once I posted it on YouTube. Okay, you'll find the link of this particular script on GitHub on my repo. I'll give the link in the description below. Okay, let's move on. So let's start the stuff. Okay, so I'm going to change it from the system wide stuff, so it is required sudo. So it has done. So it pulled the latest stuff from the remote Vim repo and it marches into the local Vim repo. Now it's building it, running that configured script which I showed you with option for PAR, Python, Ruby, Lua. So it'll take few minutes to get completed. I'm building it with the GTK. It is strictly not required, but if you don't do that, you'll miss out on a lot of other option which this editor provide. That is the clipboard facility you won't be able to access if you don't build the GTK stuff with this build. that option will be emitted out. As I said before, this build can be customized according to people's need. This is the way I build because I think this is my requirement. My present setup is built like this. So that's why I said I'm not going to install it system wide because I don't want to override the stuff. So I'll keep this in the grid repo and we can run the binary from there. Oh, it's a good time to grab a cup of coffee. It might go on for a few minutes. Hang on. It's going. Well, it's still going on. Okay, I'm hoping this will not be as big, as lengthy as the yesterday's video. It will be much shorter. See, now it is asking me to install it system wide, which I'm going to decline because I already have that, so there is no point reinstalling it again. So I pass in. Okay, we are done. So we need to check that. Okay, so there is new binary. Okay, this one. So let's check out. See, we have got. So how do you verify then version? Okay, okay, right. So this is pretty ordinary, but it's very essential to automate the stuff which will take away all the manual labors of building. It's a small stuff, that's why, like yesterday, we built something which took quite some time. So doing a lot of stuff by hand, which two things will occur: either it will become much more error prone. So to eliminate all the possibilities, we just make sure we understand the steps and write the script accordingly. So it will automate and will do the stuff automatically. So that's it. Hope you people will find it useful.